It's cool in Midland, and I've had trouble with the ammo, Norma TAC 22 and Match 22 getting too cold. So at least I think that's what it is. So I'm going to try today. What I've done is I've made an effort to keep the ammo and the gun warm, and the kick to that is that you've got to keep the ammo warm once you get to the shooting range, especially if the wind's blowing 10 to 20 miles an hour and the temperature is 25 degrees. So out here in the desert, it's cold, windy, overcast, but beat the crowd. January the 1st, 2019, first day of the year, get to shoot my favorite little pistol. So I'm a happy camper. Let me show you what I've got here. First thing is some convenience store hand warmer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick that in the pocket, and so that I can leave my magazines after they're loaded in my pocket and keep them warm. Here's what those heat packs look like once they're out. They're pretty small and they're air activated, so I'm just going to put one of those in each pocket. I heated these in a microwave. This is just a shoulder neck device, and I'm going to put it in the ammo carton here with the ammo that I kept inside last night. So I'm just going to stick that in there like that, and hopefully that'll keep the ammo warm. A little cooler here. What I'm hoping to do here is just keep the gun warm when I'm down checking targets, and I'll just close the lid on it when I stick it in there. So now I'm ready to start a time fire target. This has been a problem as lately as Sunday when I was out here. It wasn't quite this cold, but I still had problems. So I've got my warm ammo, warm gun, and we'll try a time fire target.
Ready on the firing line.
Oops, that's not good. Okay, we're going to start over. Oh. Load one. Okay, that one held back. First attempt wasn't very good. I don't know if the gun just has to warm up or what. So anyway, we're going to keep shooting. Try it again, see how it goes. Nope, didn't cock it. Okay, we are going to oil both magazines. See if that makes any difference. See if the chamber is a problem, because gun is not cycling. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and shoot the rest, because I think the problem really is the tight chamber, and I didn't clean it. Okay, now still had some eye problem, but at least the gun ran after I oiled a round that went into the chamber. So the gun cycle's fine now. I'm just going to keep it warm. I don't see any others. Well, check the video on that one. Oops. Another light hit. Or, nope, it just didn't feed. Okay. Okay. About right. Didn't pick up the last round. Okay. Let's go look at that. Well, my little experiment didn't work. What's going to happen is I'm going to have to figure out why either the slide is dragging or that ammo is so weak. And what I'll probably do next is just change the ammo. I've had Auto Match work good in cold weather. I think I'm just going to get me a bunch of Auto Match and try it with no warming, no nothing, and see how that does. So this, if I have to keep the ammo warm, I know how to do it now. But warm ammo didn't solve my problem. So either the ammo is still just a little bit too weak for the drag in the gun when the gun gets even the slightest bit cool, and it's just too much. I just think I'm going to have to go to a little higher velocity ammo. So I'll try that, see how it works.